Welcome back to our MDCAT Physics MCQ series 2026. Today's lecture covers one of the most important chapter, heat and thermodynamics, and we will solve high-yield concept-based MCQs that are frequently asked in MDCAT, NUMS, ECAT, and other competitive exam. So stay with us and let's start. MCQ number 1. At absolute temperature, the kinetic energy of the molecules become minimum, become maximum, become zero. Yeah, none of these. So it will become zero. MCQ number 2. Temperature is a property which determines how much heat a body contains, whether a body will feel hot or cold to touch, in which direction heat will flow between two systems, how much total absolute energy a body has. So the correct option is option C. MCQ number 3. 110 joule of heat is added to a gaseous system whose internal energy change is 40 joule. Then the amount of external work done is. So the correct option is 70 joule, while this MCQs can be solved through first law of thermodynamics. So this is change in heat. So this is the heat which are added to the system. Due to this heat, the system internal energy have become increased, and as well as the work have been done. So now we will put the data here and we will got 70 joule energy. MCQ number 4. In adiabatic expansion of a gas, its pressure increases, its temperature falls, its density decreases, its thermal energy increases. So the correct option is option B, its temperature falls. MCQ number 5. The product of Boltzmann constant and Avogadro number is equal to in System International. So here the correct option is option A. So here Na is the Avogadro number and K is the Boltzmann constant. When these two numbers are multiplied, they are equal to gas constant, which is R, 8.314. MCQ number 6. If the door of a refrigerator is kept open, then which of the following is true? Room is cooled, room is heated, room is either cooled or heated, room is neither cooled nor heated. So the correct option is option B, room is heated, because in a refrigerator, the working substance take heat Q2 from the sink at lower temperature T2 and gives out a large amount of heat Q1 to a hot body at a higher temperature T1. यहाँ पे Q2 जो फ्रीज़र के अंदर जो चीज़ मौजूद होती है वहाँ से रेफ्रिजरेटर यानी पानी हो जो भी हो उनसे हीट निकालकर बाहर एनवायरनमेंट की तरफ पुश करती है, जिनकी हाई टेम्परेचर T1 होती है जो कि इसकी हीट Q1 है। तो इसी वजह से रूम की टेम्परेचर बढ़ती है। Therefore, the room gets heated if the door of a refrigerator is kept open. So this is important MCQs. MCQ number 7. Heating of water under atmospheric pressure is an adiabatic process, isochoric process, isothermal process, या isobaric process. So this is the isobaric process. MCQ number 8. The change in entropy is 0 bar. Reversible isothermal process, या reversible adiabatic process, या reversible process during which no work is done, Yeah, a reversible isobaric process. So the change in entropy is zero part reversible adiabatic process. This is also very important MCQs. MCQ number 9. Which one is not an example of adiabatic process? A rapid escape of air from a bus tire, rapid expansion of air, conversion of water into ice and refrigerator, cloud formation in the atmosphere. So, in adiabatic process, no heat is enter or leave the system. So, option C is the correct option, conversion of water into ice and refrigerator. MCQ number 10. A proton has a positive charge. If two protons are brought near to one another, the potential energy of the system will increase, decrease, remain the same, equal to the kinetic energy. So, option A is the correct option. Its potential energy will be increased because as the force is repulsive in nature between two protons, therefore potential energy of the system increases. Okay, thanks for watching and stay updated for next lecture.